Welcome to my 3-part rescue series, and today is part 3 of 3, where we're using leftover sugarcane juice butter for a buttercream. Today I'm making a chocolate cake the same way generations before us did, with simple ingredients from scratch. We've been taught to fear foods like cake, but I think we've been asking the wrong question. Instead of asking whether we should eat dessert, we should ask what's actually in it. As ultra-processed foods became a bigger part of our diets, obesity rates climbed alongside them. Homemade foods made with recognizable ingredients give us more control over what we're eating. So today's cake uses homemade sugarcane butter, honey, and date-sweetened chocolate chips. Culinary medicine isn't about eliminating the foods you love, it's about knowing your ingredients, choosing quality when you can, and enjoying them with intention. And most importantly, it's about community.
أنا طول ما دفعتش
Yes, yes.